my chat partners, welcome back. Let me just say good morning. I did my hair last night. I did a twist on my straight hair, so I'm hoping it come out good because it's my first time doing it like this with the length of my hair. What this gonna look like, y'all? Blow. But I'm gonna make it work because if it don't really look like that, I'm gonna just put it in a ponytail and call it a day. Maybe some days I can make like a taco salad. I can have like some romaine hearts. It'd probably be better with romaine hearts. Yeah, romaine hearts, ground chicken instead of ground chicken or ground turkey, and put some taco seasoning in it and put like a little cheese, little black bean, corn, and some salsa and eat it like that as a salad or like a bowl or something like that. I think I'm gonna try that. Ooh, I think that's a good idea. I just came up with a recipe off the dome, y'all. And instead of using rice, use cauliflower rice. I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna record it and let you guys know how that recipe come out. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna have to write that down when I stop recording. When I stop talking to y'all. Okay, guys, this is what my hair looking like. Let me see what it's looking like in the back because my hair is thinning and I try to comb it and brush it a certain way so it won't show like in a crown. I got an upcoming appointment for that too in the next couple of weeks to see what's going on with that. Okay, it look fine in the back. Rinse my hands off because I need to put some moisturizer on my face. Just have moisturizer on my face and put me some chapstick on. Thank you all for watching my video. Thank you all for your support. Be safe, be blessed, take care, and always remember you are special. Take care. Bye.